Hello students, let us try to solve this question based on space-time diagrams of the topic relativity. Let us read the question first. The question goes like this. According to observer B, two lamps at opposite ends of the bridge are turned on simultaneously as observer A crosses the bridge. As you can see over here, let me mark this point positions. This is my observer A moving with the speed of 0.4 c. These are the two lamps they are talking about in the question. Event X is the lamp at one end of the bridge turning on. Event Y is the lamp at the other end of the bridge turning on. Further, they are saying events X and Y are shown on the space-time diagram. They are shown over here. You can see X and Y. The space and time axis of the reference frame for observer B are X and Ct. The line labeled Ct dash is the world line of observer A. Now they are asking, draw on the space-time diagram the space axis for the reference frame of observer A. Label this axis X dash. Now we can draw this with the help of the information given that A is moving with the speed of 0.4 c. Keeping this reference, now we are trying to first plot 2 points, and with the help of these 2 points we will try to draw the line. How we are plotting this point? The gradient should be 0.4. So 1 and 0.4, this is first point, and when it is 2 it will be 0.8. As you can see, this is divided into 4. So each block will be 0.2 km. We try to draw a line joining these 2 points with the help of a scale over here, as you can see. Okay. So this is my X dash line for observer A. Second part is demonstrate using the diagram which lamp according to observer A was turned on first. Now as we can see from the diagram, looking from the reference frame of B, you can see both X over here, I am bulleting it, X and Y, I am making it colored blue so that it is visible. Both this are on the same CT line at point 1. So according to observer B, both these events have occurred simultaneously. But let us see according to observer A, where the events turned, or where the lamps turned on simultaneously, or was there any difference in time lag between these two things. So to do this, we from X and Y we draw lines parallel to my X dash such that it cuts the CT axis. So we try to do that. From Y I am making a line which is parallel to my X line. So let us see, this line will be like this. Similarly from X I am making a line which is parallel to my X dash line, something like this it will go. As you can see that with the from the frame of reference of A, which is moving at a speed of 0.4 c, the events X and Y are not simultaneously. Here you can see that X over here is happening over here as per A's reference frame, and Y is happening over here. So we can say that the event Y has occurred, or we can say that the lamp Y was turned on first as per the A's reference frame. So Y was turned on first, as we can see from this diagram. Okay, moving on to the second part of the question, which says demonstrate using the diagram which lamp observer A observes to light first. Now see, there is a difference between these two questions, let us not get confused. In part 2 they were asking according to observer A was turned on first, and according to observer A observes to light first. right. So, turning on, after turning on, the light takes some time to travel, and that is when we observe the light. So, this is the difference. Now, see, when light travels, it travels at the speed of light. So, over here A is equal to V is equal to 0.4 c will not be applicable now. We will be using the speed of light, which is c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8, or we can directly mention c. To plot a C line, which is a 45-degree line with the horizontal. So, from x and y we try to first plot the C line, and then we figure out how much time it is taking according to A's reference frame to observe both this length. So, starting from y, see, if I have to plot a 45-degree line, it will be 1 1 and it will be 2 2 over here. So, my 45-degree line will be this line. From y, if I am trying to plot, approximately this will be my 45-degree line. If I have to make this line cut the CT dash axis, I will make another line which is approximately perpendicular to this. Over here. So, the lamp Y will be observed by observer A at this time, and similarly for x, if I am plotting a 45-degree line from x, let us consider these 2 points. So, then this will directly cut the CT axis. So, we need not draw perpendicular from here. Just try to cut this. So, you can see that over here somewhere this will be my x and this will be my y. So, observer A observes lamp x first, then lamp y. Observer x observes lamp first. So, observes lamp x first. Even though both were simultaneous from B's frame of reference, y was turned on first from A's frame of reference, but A will observe lamp x first. Okay, moving on to the third part of the question, which says determine the time according to observer A between x and y. So, basically what they are asking is this distance. According to B, both the events have occurred simultaneously, but as you can see from the diagram, according to A, y has occurred first. So, now they are asking is what is the time gap between x and y as per A's frame of reference. So, but see, as you can see from the diagram, this distance directly is not possible. It is because CT dash is not labeled. So, what we do is we convert the difference in x and y from A's frame of reference to B's frame of reference. As you can see over here, I have marked a red line over here which transforms x into my B's frame of reference and y into B's frame of reference, and the difference between them over here is 1 kilometer, or you can say it is 1000 meter. Now, the readings over here are not directly time, but it is CT. So, if you are asking for time, time will be equal to 1000 divided by C. This is time as per B's frame of reference, but as per A, the time difference will be equal to, so T now, T dash we can say will be equal to T upon gamma. What is gamma? Lorentz transformation factor. You can calculate this using my speed V is equal to 0.4 c in the formula 1 upon root of 1 minus V square by C square. And once we get this gamma, we can easily calculate T dash, which is equal to 1000 divided by gamma into C. Plug in the value of C, 3 into 10 to the power 8, plug in the value of gamma after calculating, and you will get the desired answer.